Welcome back, people. Welcome to a new series about jQuery. So, why jQuery? jQuery is one of the famous JavaScript library, as I believe jQuery is one of the important stepping stone when you are learning about front-end development. I also believe that every developer, especially the ones who are focusing on front-end or full-stack development, must have a basic knowledge about jQuery before stepping into AngularJS or React.js. A large part of JavaScript and jQuery deals with DOM, that is, Document Object Model Manipulation. If you are new to JavaScript, do take a look at our series about JavaScript. I have covered the basics of JavaScript as well as DOM manipulation using JavaScript. So let's get back to our topic. What exactly is jQuery? jQuery is a small, fast, and feature rich JavaScript library. jQuery makes things like DOM manipulation, event handling, and Ajax much easier. So, before getting into jQuery, make sure you have a basic knowledge about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you already know DOM manipulation or has finished our JavaScript basic course, then you would know document.querySelector h1. This line of code is used to select the first h1 tag in our HTML file. So we said jQuery makes JavaScript code easy and short, right? So let's write the same line of code in jQuery. To select h1 tag in jQuery, we write jQuery open parenthesis h1 close parenthesis. Or the jQuery can be replaced with the dollar symbol. This does exactly the same as document.querySelector h1. I hope you would have understood why jQuery, what exactly is jQuery, and how it makes the query smaller. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.